asking what I've been eating in a day, since we've been seeing lots of what Adam has been eating a day, and a lot of you have been asking what I've been eating since I've been pregnant. So today we're finally going to share with you.
Oh, wow.
I know, it's an exciting day.
Very exciting.
So I've actually had a very easy pregnancy so far. I am 25 weeks, and what I eat in a day has been great because I know a lot of people have been sick through their pregnancies and not able to eat a lot of food, but I've actually been totally fine with eating with no nausea. So what I eat today starts off with breakfast.
Something like this. Look at all this food.
Well, the veggies vary. Veggies and fruit varies from whatever we have in the house, but what I always start with is 16 ounces of celery juice.
Ooh, celery juice.
Yes, and that is props to Medical Medium. I've been doing celery juice since March, and I love my 16 ounces of celery juice in the morning. And you know what's even better? When I wake up to it and it's sitting next to me, right next to my bed, because Adam's already made it for me.
Oh yeah, that is very nice, isn't it?
Isn't that nice?
I'm as well.
So then I have a juice. Props to Joe the Juicer. I love juicing. I never thought I'd be the person who would say, I love juicing. I actually used to think that juicing was weird. But anyway, now I totally love juicing because one of the best things about juicing is that look at all these fruits and veggies I get in. All of these are something that I would put in a juice in the morning. And this is about like 30 ounces of liquid. One of the great things about juicing is that obviously I wouldn't eat 4 apples in a day. I probably wouldn't eat 2 oranges. Like if anything, I'd probably eat a banana as like a fruit for the day. But if you're juicing, you actually get all these fruits and veggies in, and so that's why I love juicing. It makes me feel really good. After my juice, sometimes I'll have a smoothie. I didn't put it out today because it's not what I had today. For some snacks, I usually have a banana and a mango.
Mango.
I love mangoes. For food, I have a salad every day to make sure that the little baby is happy. And
salad. Dark
leafy greens are really good for babies, obviously. Well, they're good for everybody, but especially when you're pregnant. And on top of that, I will usually put whatever I have in the fridge. But today I added some bell peppers, some olives. We love olives. Hearts of palm and pumpkin seeds. I love pumpkin seeds. They're a great source of like everything. So that's a salad. And when I actually go to eat that, I would probably just add on a little bit of olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, and Fabonnaise.
Fabonnaise.
Love mixing my salad with Fabonnaise. This is probably lunch because I'd rather have something heavier during the day. This is our spaghetti bolognese, which we actually just released. You guys have been texting us. You guys have been messaging us that you love it, and you've been sending us pictures, and everyone's been saying how good it is. So if you missed that video, make sure to go back and check it out. If you missed that, that's some spaghetti, but you can use rice, cauliflower rice, oodles, whatever you want, with a topping of bolognese, which is a meat sauce, but instead of meat, it's lentils, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, and some marinara sauce, and it is so good.
It's beautiful.
I actually don't even like lentils, carrots, and celery, but now you'll see that I've learned to tolerate these things. The lentils really don't even taste like lentils. That actually literally tastes like a meat sauce. So check it out if you haven't. And lastly, this is just what we had in the fridge. It's potato salad that I made might already have come out as a video. If it has, it'll be in a link in the description box below. But it's just a really simple potato salad. Try to eat potatoes every day. Potatoes are really hearty and like grounding, and we love potatoes. So that's just some simple potato salad. It takes like 5 seconds to prepare, and
basically it.
So
that's beautiful.
I forgot the cookies.
Oh, and cookies.
And the cookies.
Yeah, go get the cookies. Go.
Okay.
Cookies.
Cookies. Some of my amazing.
Was that good?
I didn't want to like toot my own horn, but they're amazing. So some cookies. They're plant-based. They're chocolate chip, and they literally taste like real chocolate chip cookies. I've tested like 10 different batches, and we've finally decided on one batch. That recipe will be out soon. They literally taste like chocolate chip cookies. My mom brought them to my grandparents and my aunt yesterday, and they were all like, oh my God.
Well, they are chocolate chip cookies. Gluten-free and plant-based.
Gluten-free, plant-based, chocolate chip cookies. They're amazing. Stay tuned for that recipe. It's coming at you soon. Let me know if you want to see more of what I eat in a day on a different day, because this was just today.
She still has pregnancy brain, even though she's eating all this nice food.
So that's it, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notifications on, because I don't know if you've noticed, but we've now been putting out our meal prep videos on Fridays, not Sundays. And If you check the link in the description box below, there will be links to the 2 of these recipes that are in this video today. You can go ahead and check those out, and that's it. Have a great week. Bye, guys. Namaste.